Good morning, Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with a quick summary of today's USDA WASDE report. Rather uneventful report for the most part, with one notable exception, and that being corn. USDA did raise their corn export forecast another 125 million bushels to 3.2 billion, a new record high, and that came right off the ending stocks. Right now, USDA is projecting ending stocks for 25-26 marketing year at 2,029 million bushels. That was about 100 million bushels below the average trade guess. We were looking for a 100 million bushel increase in the exports, but that being partially offset by lower feed usage. We got no other changes in feed usage or ethanol, perhaps waiting for the January report next month, where we'll get a look at December 1st stocks. So corn right now is up about 3 cents. No changes in the soybean balance sheet. Ending stocks there were left at 290 million bushels. That's the fifth consecutive year now where the USDA made no changes to ending stocks in the December WASDE. Same with the wheat, ending stocks 901 million bushels. We did see a 5 million bushel bump up in the hard red spring stocks, that coming off of the white wheat. Globally, and the soybeans, ending stocks projected to fall at 122.4 million metric tons. That was in line with trade expectations. On the corn, 279.2. That was down just over 2 million metric tons from the previous report in November, and that was just a touch below the average trade guess. In wheat, global stocks there are expected to rise to 274.9 million metric tons. We were at the high end of that at 275, very close to our figure there. That as a result of higher production amongst many of the global exporters. Argentina was up 2 million metric tons to 24, up 1 in Australia to 37 million metric tons, up almost 3 in Canada, up another 1 million metric tons in Russia to 87.5. So wheat market seems to be taking everything in stride as we are mixed. Soybean prices off 6 to 7 cents. Meal prices off 3 to 4. On the bean oil, we're down 25 points. We did see a little bit of a reduction on the old crop balance sheet for bean oil used for the production of biofuel that was shifted into other domestic usage categories. So back to watching the things we've been watching, the pace of exports. Today we had no sales announced to China. Couple that with some lower export taxes coming out of Argentina seem to be weighing on the soy complex here a little bit. Well, thank you for listening, everyone. Hope you have a great rest of your day.